Hey komomai, welcome. In today's video, we're taking you to explore a newer spot inside of Kakaako, just minutes away from Waikiki. It's so aesthetically pleasing, but is the menu good too? We'll also show you a favorite local shop. It has the most generous array of sizes, from a petite size 0 to queen size 4XL, a huge variety of prints and styles, and surprisingly good prices. Come shop with me and see what I left with. We're so happy you're here with us. Let's get started. So we're back at SOT today at Kakaako, and we're gonna check out a new place to eat, Mana and Pua. Super excited, so come along with me. Let's go check it out. So that's another nice but overcast day here in Kakaako. Smells delicious walking by Moku. We're gonna head upstairs and check out Mana and Pua. Look at this adorable doggy here. So super excited to check out Mana and Pua. Look at this space, it's so cute. I love that it's open air and it's just so beautiful. It's got a really nice looking bar, and I like all of the plants as well. Makes it feel very welcoming. And again, it is kind of an overcast day here, a little breezy, so even better to enjoy this open air spot. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how the food is. Drink, I got the Pua's Power, and this is not on the happy hour menu. It's on the regular menu, but it's only $9, so it's still a really good price. This one has ginger, tropical fruit, and a cherry essence in there. And she did say that is a ginger beer, so I love ginger beer, so I think I'm gonna like this one. And look at that really beautiful edible flower there. I think it's garnished so nicely. And I love these cups. The server did say that we can purchase these cups. They have a little merchandise area, so this would be really, really cute, like the Hawaiian Islands back there. This would be such a cute souvenir to take home if you're visiting here and you wanted something special. Or if you live here, this would be great barware to be able to serve up some drinks when friends come over. But let's go ahead and give this a drink or a taste. That's really good. Initially, I do get that punch of ginger, but it is quickly mellowed by the sweetness of the tropical fruit. And I'm tasting some guava in there, and I taste just a little hint of that cherry essence. It is a little sparkly, so really good. It's very refreshing. I really like it. And the nice thing too is we're gonna show you guys too what it's like to be able to do their happy hour here. But if you're gonna have to go back to work after, or maybe you're staying away from alcohol, we're doing mocktails today, so something a little special. And this place, as mentioned, is so adorable.
It's really good. So I started drinking it a couple of minutes ago, but it's really refreshing, really bubbly, a little bit tart, right? The lemonade. Yeah, it's really, really good. So, and they have these cute little cups. So,
and that sparkling lemonade is the hibiscus. Is that?
Yes.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
They have it in hibiscus, lily quite or mango, and I believe that she did recommend the hibiscus.
Yes. So I think because I know there's so much to get here. So, and this place is so cute. So we're gonna be coming back here. So happy hour at Mana Pua.
And the little edible flower, so pretty. It's such a gorgeous drink. So we got the mussels with pork belly, combozola, pecorino on frites, and heard this is really good. It came highly recommended by the server. It does smell amazing. And then also the smoked fish spread, local fish, cream cheese, fried capers, and this comes with a scratch focaccia. It has a nice bit of pickled red onion on there. That looks beautiful. I think it's going to be a nice addition there. And also another recommendation from our server, these are the thigh scorched Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a try. They have a little bit of cheese on them. Everything looks absolutely delicious. Okay, so starting off with the fish spread, and that looks really good. So it's smoked local fish. It's good. I can definitely taste the smoked flavor in there. It does say that it has cream cheese in there. It is not a really cheesy, heavy type of dip. It is a little bit on the slightly drier side, but it's really good. It does really emphasize the smoked fish in there, so that's a good one for sure. I'm going to try a little red pickled onion with it because I think that's going to be a really nice bite. That red pickled onion is so good with it. Okay, so definitely recommend that one at Happy Hour. We also got the Brussels sprouts, which are fire scorch, and they have a little bit of pecorino cheese on it. I love a good Brussels sprout. Really good. It's hard to beat a fried Brussels sprout with a good sauce on it. It's really good. It's not overly sweet. Sometimes I think restaurants tend to do a really sweet glaze with it to kind of compensate for the slight bitterness of the Brussels sprout house. This one is going to have a little bit of that slight bitterness coming through, but it's perfectly matched by the cheese, and there's a little bit of a, it tastes like a kind of like a vinaigrette, so there's a slightly sweet component kind of balancing it out, and that texture is really nice. And then last but not least, we do have these freezer fries. Really yummy, and I do believe they are duck fat fries, which makes it extra special. Just a little bit of pork belly. Really nicely done. And there's a Kamazola sauce tying it all together, and the sauce that I got on the fries, they are really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and try a musso now, and it's smothered in that sauce. That does look delicious. The mussels are delicious. They're really good in that sauce. The fries are the perfect carrier for them. And that little salty bite of pork belly makes it amazing. Definitely a good happy hour. Come and check out Mana and Pua.
We definitely love the super laid back and boho luxe vibe here. It made for some cute photos and the service was top notch. The mocktails were good, but the cocktails might be where they really shine, so we'll have to try those next time. And as for the food, I definitely do the mussels and duck fat fries again, and for sure the Brussels sprouts. Overall, it's a great spot to come check out and support. Next, we're heading just a couple of blocks away to do some shopping.
We're taking a look at T&L Muʻumuʻu Factory for some Aloha wear. So many different types. So beautiful. Look at those patterns. All different types of fabrics. Some are more of that kind of cottony feel. With that pink. And look at the bottom of that. So beautiful. And the prices are really reasonable. So regular $125, $90 for that one. A lot of bright colors. If you were looking for a wedding muʻu, to get something like that, that is absolutely gorgeous as well. I love the bottom of this one too, and the ruffle. $90, not really such a great deal for a wedding dress. I did find one, it's at the counter already, but I am actually going with this one. I love the top, it looks like a vintage muʻu I have. I love the color, and look at the bottom of that. That skirt is beautiful. Prices are so reasonable here. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised because I've been looking at quite a few different types of Aloha wear, and the prices are generally much more expensive. But here you're looking at a lot of $85 to just in the low hundreds. I love this bottom too. If you want sleeves, you could get something with sleeves. $90 there. Look at the bottom of this one. This print is so pretty too. Really love that. They even have like a kind of quilt looking print. Every color scheme really that you could want or imagine. It's pretty amazing. And then they have shorter ones too. So like if you wanted something that was this kind of style that has a velvet neckline. Look at how pretty that is. That gorgeous drape. Love the attention to detail. Look at the bottom there. Very pretty. And this one, 90 as well. So many. And they have a lot of sizes up until a 4XL, 3 and 2XL. And regular XL, queen size large. I think this would be good too if you were taller. Looks like it accommodates that. And the prices are not much different. It's maybe $5 more for a lot of them. They have shorter versions too. Look at how pretty. I love this kind of corally color. That is gorgeous as well. Just take a look. $75, such a great deal. Look at how pretty this one is too. I love that. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. $90. Then you could get it with the skirt on the top. And then they have menswear, so if you wanted to get a matching Aloha shirt, you could do that. Great for family photos. All of these flowers and lace, really great as well. And here's the one that I'm buying. Super excited. Absolutely gorgeous. So definitely come and check them out. T&L Muʻumuʻu Factory. They're right here in Kakaʻako. It's only about maybe a 5-minute drive from Aloha Shopping Center. We're probably about 10 minutes away from Waikiki, and the other way maybe about 10 minutes from the airport. So this is really a great spot. It's actually really close to South Kakaako.
Thanks so much for joining us for a day here in Kakaako. We'd love to know, is Mana and Pua, or even salt as a whole, your kind of vibe for a great meal out? And as always, we're so super thankful for all of your support. Your liking and subscribing to the channel is huge in helping us bring lots more Hawaii life your way. We can't wait to show you what's next. As always, we're sending you sunshine and aloha, this time from breezy Kakaako.